it's Girl with Heart Allie, and today I'm going on an adventure to spread positivity with my friend, Bo the Llamacorn. Bo and I think it is important to spread positivity because this world could always use a little more light and happiness. Bo and I are spreading positivity today by baking yummy treats and delivering them to our local firefighters because they sacrifice so much for us to keep us safe. So now I've got my ingredients. My flour, sugar, cocoa powder, butter, eggs, baking powder, vanilla, and salt. Now let's get baking. These smell good. I really hope the firefighters like them. Bo, those are for the firefighters. Silly Llamacorn.
Hi there.
Hi, I got something for you guys.
Well, come on in. Thank you very much.
I want a brownie. Thank you very much. Did you make these?
Yeah.
Awesome. They look really good.
Thanks for watching our video. Now it's your turn to spread some positivity. Join the positive fun with Bo the Llamacorn by visiting www.shopjustice.com/livejustice.